Let's get one thing straight, right now. There's this massive myth floating around, that to build a brand, to build trust, to build a real community, you have to plaster your face all over the internet. You think you need to be a movie star, on your own feed, day in and day out. That's just not true. Think about it. The strongest brands on earth don't have a single face leading the charge. They have an idea. They have a voice. They have a system. You can build an empire from behind the scenes. For many of you, it's the smarter, more scalable play for the long game. The real currency of the internet now is trust. And trust doesn't come from a perfect selfie. Trust comes from consistency, from value, from showing up every single day with something that helps, entertains, or makes them think. You can do all of that without ever using your front-facing camera. Your ideas are the product. Your execution is the marketing. Your brand is the promise you keep again and again. This isn't hiding, it's strategy. Build a machine that works for you, not a brand that depends on your smile every day. This is your playbook. 4 core pillars to build a faceless brand that connects, converts, and grows a real following. For introverts and operators who don't want the spotlight. For small teams who want to look like giants. People are getting smarter. They're tired of polished perfection that feels fake. Fake smiles and rented Lamborghinis don't sell substance. They crave authenticity, a well-told story, a killer animation, a raw piece of UGC. A faceless brand cuts through because it puts the idea first. The value is in this message, not in my personality. Today, the tools make this easier than ever. Human-like AI voices on demand, millions of premium stock clips, animation anyone can learn, great ideas, executed consistently, beat low-effort selfies. Scalability matters. A face-led brand has a single point of failure. Systems run 24/7. Hire creators, rotate voices, leverage AI, build a media company. Your brand identity is the uniform your content wears. It's non-negotiable. Decide before you post a single thing. Keep it simple. Pick 2 fonts, 1 headline, 1 body. Pick 3 core colors you use everywhere. Choose a clean, recognizable logo, even when tiny. Identity makes you instantly identifiable in a crowded feed. Action step. Build a 1-page brand guide. Add 3 to 5 words that define your voice. Pick a lane and stay in it. Keep that voice consistent across scripts, captions, and emails. Inconsistency confuses. Confusion kills trust. No exceptions. Spend 1 hour now. It will save you hundreds later. Your identity is your silent ambassador. It's your fingerprint. In a faceless brand, your visuals are your face. They must grab attention and tell the story. Make them sharp, clear, and purposeful. Mix high-quality stock, simple animation, clean icons, bold text. Keep shots under 4 seconds. Match platform pace, 1 idea per sentence, moving fast. No fluff. Map words to pictures, 1-to-1. Say, open the app. Show the app opening. Don't show unrelated pretty B-roll. It breaks connection. Every second must earn its place. Action. Build 5 reusable templates. Headline quote, 3-point list, UGC frame, CTA. Search specific, not generic smiling office clips. Use on-screen text. Many watch with sound off. Strong, purposeful visuals separate pros from amateurs. Keep scenes short. 1 idea per visual. Match your script. Every faceless brand needs a voice. Non-negotiable. It can be yours, a hired actor, or a high-quality AI. Just be consistent. Your voice becomes an audio signature that builds trust. Match your Pillar 1 identity. Energetic, motivational, calm, or educational. Tools make it easy. Clone a voice or pick from a library. Keep sentences short. Clear language sounds best with AI. Layer VO over visuals with light music and a few SFX. Scale production without a mic in your face. Action. Commit to 1 voice for 10 pieces. Test your voice, a freelancer sample, and an AI clip. Pick 1. Stick with it. Focus on consistency and clarity. Use a decent mic or premium TTS. Don't chase perfect. Done beats perfect. Audiences forgive small flaws, not inconsistency. Your voice ties everything together over time. Nothing sells better than a real person saying it works. Social proof is the ultimate trust builder for faceless brands. Collect short testimonials, comments, reviews, and customer photos. Raw wins. Polished ads spark skepticism. UGC feels real. Action. Build a simple submission flow with a small incentive. Make it easy and rewarding to contribute. Don't script it. Prompt and let them be themselves. Edit lightly. Brand music, text overlays, clear CTA. Here are your next steps. 1. Make a 1-page brand guide. Logo, 2 fonts, 3 colors, voice words. 2. Build 5 video templates, headline, quote, list, UGC frame, CTA. 3. Ask 5 best customers for a 15/30s clip, offer a discount or feature, execute daily. Consistency compounds. Make your brand's voice louder than any one personality. These 4 pillars build a scalable, resilient, faceless brand. Now go execute.